Come on, do it one more time. Пискни. Пискни еще раз. Come on. You just did. Come on. Squeak. Squeak now. So this speaker is acting weird. It's it's by brand of Vivitar. Has a very odd shape. I don't know what to call this even. However, it does this weird squeaky sounds for some reason. I don't know. Currently, he did a couple times before I managed to grab my phone to record this weird sounds. Right now it doesn't want to do this anymore. I'm hoping it will do again within at least a couple seconds. It's already almost 4:40 a.m. Come on, do it again. Squeak. Cool. Make that sound. Damn thing. It has a pretty much great volume, but for some reason it's I put the wrong thing. Come on, do it again. Come on. Squeak it. Make it squeak. Damn thing. Only on purpose. Doesn't want to do it. Squeak it. Squeak it. Make it squeak. Squeak, squeak. There. Gotcha. As you heard it, I hope so. Come on, do it again. Do it again. Again. Come on. I know you can do that. Make it squeak again.